Hey everybody, we're back in the kitchen and today
we are making eggs Benedict. We're not actually making a Hollandaise sauce. We're kind of taking a shortcut and just doctoring up like a packaged mix.
it should be really good, and Easter's coming up, so it'd be a great brunch item for this holiday or actually any time of the year.
So we just made eggs Benedict.
Open face, so it's already healthier. We got some asparagus on it, some green onions, some super easy hollandaise sauce.
Yeah.
And
really
let's give it a try. Wow.
Whoa.
I like the asparagus. It adds like some crunch. The Canadian bacon, salty. Got the word bacon
It's so
in
good.
it.
And we use a croissant on the bottom, so it's like,
Yes.
really flaky.
And the hollandaise sauce.
It's so easy.
Her idea to use the...
It was pre-packaged.
Yeah. So good. Why? I mean, why not?
But the hardest part, honestly, was poaching the egg.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our channel.
More videos
hit the
coming
like,
soon.
Hit the share.
See you later.
Bye.